Hi y'all, it's me, Lauren Cadillac with Cadillac Law, coming back to you with some more knowledge and information. As always, none of the information I'm sharing today creates any kind of attorney-client relationship between the viewer or my firm, and this is all just general knowledge. This is not legal advice. But today we're going to talk about trusts in Texas. Why do I love trusts? Well, let's first talk about what a trust is. A trust is an agreement between a settlor and a beneficiary. And sometimes the settlor and the beneficiary are two different people. Those are called grantee trusts. A grantee trust is something that you would use like a special needs trust. If you or someone you love has special needs, you can put money into this trust and it won't affect their government benefits. It's a great trust. That way, if someone's getting an inheritance, it won't affect their Social Security, and they'll be able to use that trust to help supplement their lives. So that is a grantee trust. Then sometimes trusts have the same settlor or beneficiary, and that's a grantor trust. So for instance, I own most of my property in trust. My home is in a trust. My bank accounts are payable on death to the trust. And one of my accounts is actually just a trust account. This means tax-wise, when I receive money into the trust, I pay personal taxes. It just kind of passes right through. However, with the grantee trust we just talked about, the trust is going to pay its own taxes. It's not going to pass through to the beneficiary. So great things with trust is you can buy property, you can make investments, you can grow those investments. In a grantor trust, it's just tax will pass through. So for me, I have a blended family in the state of Texas. If you have a blended family, you need a trust. Otherwise, it could turn out that your spouse could inherit from you and give what should be going to your children to, their next spouse or whatever it might be. So if you're in a blended family, a Texas trust is definitely for you. You can use this trust as a vehicle to make investments and earn interest. And then the greatest thing is that whatever is in the trust has to be managed the way the trust requires it. So we can put into the trust, if my son wears green on Tuesday, he is not going to get anything. Or as long as he wears purple on Thursdays, he will get a payment of $100. Whatever I want to do. Trusts are literally the only way that you can control from the grave. So if you want to say, I want to give my daughter my house when I die, but she has to do this, this, and this, we're writing a trust. Y'all, I love trust. If you put your business in a trust and you pass away, your business can carry on. Your trustee can do your business the way it was done before. I absolutely think you need a trust if you are a Texan and you are in a blended family. I'd like trusts for any kind of business owner, anyone that has like a rental income. If you want to learn more about trusts, give us a call at 972-845-1200. And as always, visit our website, www.cadillaclaw.net. Thanks for joining me today.